Bye, Shine.
I've been posting DIY videos on this YouTube channel for a little over a year now, and I've tried to stay consistent to an every 2-week schedule. But on top of making these videos, I have a full-time job, and more importantly, I'm a husband and a dad. I've always used my workshop as a way to de-stress. I have a tendency to overthink or even obsess over things that I'm worried about. But when I'm in my workshop, I'm able to focus on the task and let go of a lot of those unnecessary anxious thoughts. Between my family, work, and making these videos, I've been feeling pretty overwhelmed lately, but I decided I'd head out into my shop and take some time to relax. I felt like something was off though. Here I was heading to my favorite spot on my property, but for the first time, it felt like work. The spot on my property that I always used to relax had now become a source of stress. When I needed her most, my shop left me feeling abandoned. At that point, I realized maybe I'd been taking on too much and something had to change. That's easy, I'll just quit my terrible job and be a full-time YouTuber, right? Well, with a lack of subscribers and views, that wasn't an option. Then I thought maybe I'd just stop spending time with my family, but turns out I love them. Even my wife. So the only other option was to give up my hobby. But then I realized it wasn't the hobby that was stressing me out at all. It was coming up with shit for this stupid YouTube channel and trying to go above and beyond on every video I make. So I said, fuck it. I quit. But at the same time, I love making these stupid videos. Maybe I just needed a break. But then I remembered the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. I overthink the rest of my life, so it was no wonder I was overthinking all my projects for this channel. Not everything I do has to be the best, and sometimes simple is the best. I've never made a bench like this. I always thought log furniture was kind of boring. But I cut this out of a tree that fell in my own backyard. And all I had to do was flatten it, lag bolt it together, and sand it, and then I had this beautiful bench. There was something extremely rewarding about this project. A simple and stress-free slab with logs for legs, and the perfect place to stop and take a break, because sometimes we just need a place to sit down and take a rest with the people we love when we're feeling overwhelmed.
Bye, see you again, and have a good dream.